So, hello everyone. Today we will see how to transfer the material stock in one plant within plant from one storage location to another storage location in FIORI. Okay. So there is different process and very easy process to transfer the stock of material within one plant from one storage location to another storage location. So what we have to do, we have to just log in into this system, and then we just type transfer stock, and what we are doing in plant only. So just click on in plant, transfer stock in plant. Okay, this screen will come. Here you have to enter the plant code and enter the material. Okay, and then press enter. Once we press enter, as you can see, this material under this plant, it is maintained in 3 storage location. Okay, so suppose in raw material storage location, these are the 3 storage location: 1001, 1002, and 1003. Suppose in this 1002 storage location, there is a requirement of 1 kg. Okay, so what we have to do, we no need to go for the MyGo transaction and all. We can do simply hereby. How we will do? We just first click from where you have to transfer. So suppose you have to transfer from 1001. So click on this arrow. Okay. Automatically the whatever the remaining storage location, down arrow will come. Then after that, what you have to do? Suppose you have to transfer in this. So just click on this arrow icon, down arrow icon. And here you can enter the quantity. Suppose 1 kg you want to transfer. So document date and posting date automatically will take the from the current date. Okay, if you want to change, you can change it. If you also want to write something, header text, document item text, you can write. If you want to do some attachment, you can still do some attachment. Okay, and then press enter. Once you press enter, click on post. Okay, see the material document gets posted, and you can see previously it was 2 kg storage, the stock in 1 kg stock was there. Now it has moved to 2 kg. Okay, so this is the benefit of FIORI to transfer the stock from one storage location to another storage location within the plant in the FIORI. Thank you.